so many lures that you're and SNOT. 37 degrees, a little bit of snow. This is a good day for a dive. Back at it, here's the Menominee River, Marinette, Wisconsin. Let's get some lures. There's an old lure. That's cool. I like this new system here. It's pretty cool. It can stay under longer. Stealing it? Huh? Get the water. Let's go. Not here. You guys are missing out. I'm telling you. Prime time. Look at those guys. I sold a couple when I was done yesterday. I sold a couple to some guys right here, and I was leaving. They're like, "Yeah, we already lost 2 of them." I got them back. I gotta keep going. It's starting to get cold. Well, that rope's all tied up in my stuff. That sucks. How about if you help me, I'll help you. I don't know if you see me struggling over there. I got this cutter on my back. That's it, huh? Free lure. Wow. That's one you lost, kind of like that. It's an old milk bottle. I got a couple like that at home. Almost grabbed this massive walleye down there. It was a massive walleye. It was right in front of me. I came from behind it, from the side. It just stayed there. I wanted to reach for it and it just took off. Just cleaned up the river.
You're doing great. Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you. See ya.
See you on YouTube.
Yeah, nice meeting you. All right, I moved on over by the power lines over here on the northeast side of the island, Stephenson Island. Let's see what we can find. That's been yuck. A little bit.
A lot of people buying from you?
Oh heck yeah. Yeah, it's going pretty well. Not many people want to dive in this stuff though. I'm starting to think I'm crazy.
A little bit.
It's definitely worth it. I gotta get back in water before I freeze. See ya. Junk. I want to go in there. There's 4 dams open though. It's pretty strong in here. I'm gonna go over here and float back down to my truck. Some trash in the water. Hi. You want to come swimming? Oh, okay. You're gonna take a picture or wave to him? Ed, yeah. Yeah, thanks. Oh, come on. That is a mess here. Gotta go fish. What's up, guys? Did it again. Just finished another dive today. We got Caleb and Tyler here. Came to check out what I found, but let's see what I got today. Got a lot of stick baits today. Look at that. I know there's a lot of ripping wraps in there too. Got an old milk bottle today. A full one, and there's a broken one also. Use this tool today, the little scooper. It really helped me out in collecting lures, staying under longer. Now that was an awesome dive. Gotta love it.